We met in Atlanta, in an Irish bar on St. Patrick's Day.
It was pretty much love at first sight. We've been married for 20 years this week.
We got 3 boys, 17, 15, and 10. Well, we bought this house a couple of years ago.
We fell in love with the beautiful gardens around the home, and just the layout of the home. It's a real family home.
But it looked a bit dated.
It was also cracking in several places, so it looked tired.
It was our anniversary this week, actually our 20th, and so we had planned on having a big party.
We both love just have a lot of people back there gathering space, and that's really what we wanted to create. I do think they'll finish in time, and I think we'll have a great party on the 25th.
We're now installing the FX Luminaire lighting system. We're almost complete. We got to get done before the homeowner's anniversary party. It's going to be amazing. When designing a system, we really take into account the balance in safety and beauty. We want to add enough fixtures to allow our customers to be able to move around the property and enjoy their space at night, but not too much so we don't add glare in areas that might bother our homeowners. Using the Luxor transformers allows us to do things that no other lighting package can. Luxor can control zone and dimming and add color to any location. FX Luminaire really makes the project easy by offering a wide variety of fixtures that we can use in certain places on the project. We're going to come in first and install some of the hardscape lights as we install some of the bell guard elements and some of the veneers. From there, we're going to move to adding our FX bullet lights to accentuate the landscape and do our backlighting, and we're going to use our FX Luminaire path lights to accentuate and accent some of the functional walking areas and trails and pathways on the project.
There he is.
Hey Will, how are you?
Hey man, I'm doing good, man.
Great
Good
to see you. Great to see you.
Looks like you're up to your same old tricks.
We're almost finished with the project. It's going to be amazing. Let me kind of show you about it a little bit.
Yeah, great. Let's check it out.
What really takes FX Luminaire's lighting to the next level is the usability functions. The FXL app allows our homeowner to have total control of their lighting system and makes setting up lighting themes a breeze. We started with the sconce lights. It really created a down lighting effect on this bar area that we have the customer serving, and that transitions right to our wall light. We use this wall light to accent the veneer hardscape.
It's very inviting to come up to the bar, very inviting.
Thanks so much. Here we use one of our wash lights to uplight this archway area. I just think it's going to be a really neat effect and really show off the architecture of the arch.
Yeah, it's going to give you a nice soft base here too, Des. I think it's really going to do a good job with this space.
Let's transition over here to the fireplace area. Let me show you what we did over here.
Great, let's check it out.
Perfect, come on. Here we use one of our mounted bullet lights. This spotlight that's accenting the fireplace can be turned on and off, and actually have dimmability as well. So when a customer is enjoying this area, they don't have to have the spotlight on. And then as we go down to the pool area, you'll see we use the LF in a different application to give us functional step lighting all the way down to the pool deck area. Now we get to the fun part, Will. I want to show you about probably one of the neatest elements on this project is the bistro lighting. You know, one of the things we thought about was controllability for a homeowner. And what we thought we were going to have to do is bring our electrician in, wire a switch, and give our homeowner an element to control it. Now with FX's new Cube, you know, we get the functionality to be able to use our FX app to be able to control the bistro lighting just as they would the rest of their lighting. So it was easy to program with the FXL app, and it took us about 20 minutes and we were up and ready to go. This is another element of the design that I'm really anxious to tell you a little bit about, is we're using a cube to control the water feature. The cube itself is acting as a relay to give our homeowner functionality to turn on and off their water feature with the app. Now that it's nice and dark, let's go up to the patio, let's check out the whole property, play with some colors, and see what this thing can really do.
Let's go have some fun.
All right, let's do it. Well, the first thing we're going to do is dim down the bistro lights. That way we can get the full effect of the color. The great thing is that with the cube, we're going to have full functionality to do it right here from the palm of our hands. So what we'll do is we'll just go right here to the bistro theme, and we'll slightly dim it. That way we can kind of show off some of the other lights and colors. Now that it's dim, we're going to go to a party night theme. Party night really set the tone for the homeowners to have some good color. There's a game day theme that we can choose that allows our homeowners to have the lights coincide with their favorite team. You know, they're out here watching the game. It really kind of puts them in the mood. The next theme I want to show you is going to be called Winter Night. a nice soft blue color. Lastly, we have a theme called security. This is going to be a theme that, you know, just allows everything to really turn off except for the functional lighting, the stair lights, and so the homeowner can move around his property.
So these homeowners can get many years of enjoyment out of it.
We're just excited to use all the elements that FXL had provided us to make the space amazing for their upcoming anniversary party.
That's great.
Absolutely. Thanks for your help on the project.
Great, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
The party was amazing. It was fantastic. Everyone had so much fun, and we had so many compliments on the backyard.
The lighting really sets the mood. It's beautiful. It really is nice.
It's almost hard to believe it's the same house. Just incredible.
It like illuminates where it needs to. It's not in your face, helps you with your steps, helps you like have the conversation. It's wonderful.
This is really, really well done.
FX Luminaire was a great choice for this project. It allowed us to have a lot of flexibility in our design. We added light and dimming and zoning capabilities all over the property and really wow customers.
I can just sit there in the bar area or in the dining area and control the lighting on the app on my phone for the whole backyard, and so it's so cool.
I can't believe how quickly we transformed our entire backyard. Absolutely beautiful.